Hello dear friend, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. In today's video, we'll be looking at how you can be able to make a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 11. So Windows 11 is the latest version of Windows and it has been released today. So how you can be able to make this Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive, you need at least three things. The first thing is that you need an ISO file for Windows 11. You can be able to download this from today from the official website of Microsoft. The second thing that you need is a software called Rufus. And the third thing that you need is to have a machine that is running where you can be able to make a bootable USB flash drive from. So without wasting much time, let us get started. For me, I already have a Windows 11 ISO file, so I'll not need to download this again. The next thing is that you need to open your favorite browser, type Rufus, and the first link that appears is the official website of Rufus. Click download down here and you will be able to download Rufus to your PC so that you can be able to use it to make a flash drive, a bootable flash drive. The next thing is that after downloading, open File Explorer, go to where you have been able to store Rufus, click Rufus, click Run. It will ask you if you are sure you want to run it, then just click Yes. After that, it will automatically detect the USB flash drive that you have injected. For me, mine is at the top here. Then you are supposed to select an ISO file. So for me, I'll click here to select an ISO file. Then I'll navigate where I stored my Windows 11 ISO file. Then I'll click that. Then click Open. After that, you just need to change the partition scheme to MBR. After that, everything leave it as default and click Start. It will ask you if it will give you a warning saying that whatever is in this flash drive will be destroyed. Click OK to continue or cancel. So for me, I am okay with deleting the flash drive. Then this process may take between 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes sometimes. So just be patient and wait for it to complete creating the ISO file. So the process took about 10 minutes to complete for me, and it may take somehow longer or shorter compared to how your machine is. So when this when it completes, this is how it will appear. Just don't click start because it will restart the process again. Just click close, and when now you open your flash drive, you realize that it has Windows 11 ISO file installed in it.